Alright, I'm going to start this video by going through the couple of different examples regarding the salesperson on Moodle. So here you're told that Mr. Salesperson has the following expenses, and then what is his deduction based on a salary of $60,000 and commission of $16,000. So I'm just going to kind of make a couple columns here. So the first one will be our example as if he was a salesperson. So our first expense is hotels, which is fully deductible. Airfare, also fully deductible, of $4,000. Meals, the rule with meals is always 50%, so $1,000. And entertainment is also 50%. Now, as long as you have commission income, you can deduct entertainment. Now, these car operating costs are $7,500. If I add them up together, and I'm told that 50,000 kilometers are driven, of which 30,000 relate to employment. So if I take 30,000 divided by 50,000, I get 60%. So I'm going to multiply the 7,500 times 60%, and I get $4,500. So if I add all of these expenses up, I get $15,500. So what is Mr. Salesman's or salesperson's deduction based on a salary of $60,000 and commission of $16,000 is going to be $15,500. Now, what would the deduction be for the traveling employee, assuming that they earn a salary of $60,000? Well, if we come up here, I'll show all the expenses. So this is going to be our traveling employee. Well, they're also going to be able to deduct hotels of $3,000, airfare of $4,000, and meals of $1,000. Now, because they don't have commission income, no entertainment. So no commission income means no entertainment. And we're still going to have the $4,500 of the operating costs for the car. So if we remove the entertainment, we have $12,500 of expenses. So the deduction for the other traveling employee is going to be $12,500. So I'll do another example. So in example 2, we have more expenses, and now we're told that this person has commission income of $15,000, salary of $50,000. So our sales person is going to be able to deduct hotels of $4,000, airfare of $2,500, meals are going to be times 50%, so $1,500 for meals. And because they have commission, they can deduct entertainment at 50%. So entertainment's going to be $3,500. And then I'm going to add up the car costs, which are $5,500. And again, I'm going to say, okay, there's 34,000 kilometers that are related to employment use, and a total driven of 40. So if I take my 34,000, and I'm going to divide that by 40, I get 85%. So I'll times the 5,500 by my 85%, and I get 4,675. So if I total all of those expenses, I get 16,175. But keep in mind that a salesperson is limited to commission. So our answer here is going to be the max deduction is 15,000, right? Because expenses can't exceed commission. Now if we go through this same exercise for a traveling employee, they can deduct $4,000 of hotels, $2,500 of airfare, $1,500 of meals, no entertainment, and the operating costs for the vehicle are going to be the same. So this leaves me with $12,675. So the max deduction here is the $12,675. Right, biggest rule to keep in mind is no commission, no deduction for entertainment.